So over here, I have 3 protein drinks. Let's see which one has the best protein to calorie ratio. In other words, which one of these will give you the most protein for the least amount of calories. First one, we have the First Choice brand, then the Super M Clover USN protein shake, and lastly the Parmalat protein. Yes, they do contain sugar, but that's why it says it's a recovery drink. Not sit on the couch the whole day and drink 10 of these drink. Then it's not going to be healthy. So if you're an active person, this is a very convenient way after your workouts to get some quick protein in so that you recover quicker. So first up, the First Choice, you are going to get 21 grams of protein for 162 calories. So that is going to be 7.7 calories for every gram of protein. The Super M1, you're going to get 22 grams of protein for 206 calories. And that is going to be 9.3 calories for every gram of protein. And then lastly, the Parmalat protein, you're going to get 20 grams of protein for 181 calories. So that will be 9.05 calories. And there you go. With regards to protein to calorie ratio, this is your ranking, 1, 2, 3. If there are any other protein milks that I missed, make sure to drop them in the comments.